For many riders, taking care of a favorite motorcycle is almost as much fun as riding it. In fact, keeping your motorcycle well maintained is an essential part of responsible riding. So here are some checks you should make on your bike. For a more exact maintenance schedule and service details, refer to your motorcycle's owner's manual. For street bikes, make sure the engine is off and both the engine and exhaust system are cool. Park the motorcycle on a firm, level surface and use the center stand or maintenance stand to provide support. Begin with a visual inspection of your bike. Look for loose, worn, or missing items. Check the major fasteners and tighten them as needed. Next, wash your bike using a product such as Honda Bright Total Cycle Cleaner. This spray-on, hose-off cleaner takes a lot of work out of this job. A soft brush makes it convenient to clean those hard-to-reach spots, such as the wheel rims and spokes. Dry your bike with soft terry cloth or microfiber towels. You can also use Pro Honda Spray Cleaner and Polish for added shine and touch-up cleaning. Spray some on a towel to use it on hard-to-reach places and confined areas. If your bike has a chain final drive, adjust the chain as needed, then apply a good chain lube, such as Pro Honda Chain Lube. Also, check the air pressure in the tires with a good gauge and add air as needed. Inspect the tread for wear and look closely for nails, embedded objects, cuts, and other types of damage. Spin the wheels or roll your bike so you can inspect the entire tire surface and check the condition of the wheels too. Check fluid levels for the engine, cooling system, and brakes, and top off with Pro Honda 4-stroke motorcycle oil, HP coolant, and DOT4 brake fluid as needed. Check your owner's manual for recommended change intervals for the engine oil and keep on schedule for that servicing. Remember that motorcycle engines and transmissions place unique demands on oil, so it takes a motorcycle-specific product, such as Pro Honda 4-stroke motorcycle oil, to handle the job properly. If your motorcycle has a shaft final drive, don't forget to check the oil level in the final drive case and use designated high-point gear oil, such as Pro Honda Shaft Drive Oil. Next, check your bike's controls, levers, cable, and throttle. Check the free play of the clutch lever and throttle grip. One good tip is to grease the lever pivot points with a good grease, such as Pro Honda Moly 60 paste. Also, check your headlights, turn signals, brake lights, and other indicator lights for correct function. Most of these tips apply to dirt bikes as well, but there are a few chores that are specific to off-road machines, such as servicing the foam air filter. Because this job can be a bit messy, many riders like to use Pro Honda Foam Air Filter Maintenance Products by No Toil, a biodegradable product that eliminates the need for harsh chemicals when servicing air filters. When you wash the bike, plug the exhaust to keep water out. Other dirt bike-specific items to check include inspecting the fork seals for leaks, checking the tightness of spokes, and inspecting rims for trueness and damage. And when you adjust and lube the drive chain, inspect the sprockets, chain pads, and chain rollers to ensure they're within service limits. And always remember, if you don't feel capable of performing a given task or need assistance, your Honda dealer knows your motorcycle best and is fully equipped to maintain and repair it.